Hi guys, I'm Julie. Welcome to my handmade channel. Today we are going to make a cute bag for your bento to go or other cosmetics. The fabric I'm using today was bought at Daiso with just $1.5. You can choose any small pieces to make this. Fold it in the middle and cut it. Make sure the right sides are facing each other. Use the iron to fold both top sides by 1 and by 3 cm wide. Lock stitch all the 4 sides to secure the ends. Sew a 1 cm line to all the 3 sides, except the top one. Remember to stop at the line we folded before. Turn to the side and sew top stitch at the V-shaped corner, so that it will be much stronger at the ends. We can add a few stitches at the end of the first layer of the folding part to make it look neater. Do some back and forward stitches. Then we can sew the top parts. Add a line in the middle to get the fluffy looking. Turn the inside out. Take care of the corners. Let's insert the 2 threads. You can cut the threads 8 cm longer than your bag so that we will have room to make the knots. Fold the right thread once. Put the tail of the left thread right under its other end. If you see this kind of circle, or it's called Josephine knot, you are in the right track. Put each thread through the other thread underneath and into the hole in the center. Pull the threads out and tighten them. You can always adjust the length of it. Cut the ends if you don't need them. We're done! Let's put a bento box inside to see how it fits. It looks perfect, right? You can customize the dimensions to any size you like. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye!